Ever wonder how the IRS categorizes the physical items you own? Let's break down the definition of tangible personal property. At its core, this refers to property that can be touched, moved, and felt. It is the opposite of intangible property like stocks or patents. If an asset has a physical existence and can be relocated without destroying it, the tax code generally treats it as tangible personal property. These items are the most common examples you encounter. Note that real estate, like land or buildings, is excluded because it cannot be moved. The main difference is that tangible items can be touched, while intangible assets represent legal rights or financial claims. Many tangible assets lose value over time. Businesses often depreciate these items over specific recovery periods defined by the tax code. Keep this simple rule in mind when you are organizing your financial records or evaluating your assets for tax purposes. Understanding these categories helps you manage your assets more effectively. Check the description for more resources. Educational content, not financial advice.